सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
This is a P1, lightweight but manageable. The measuring range up to 40 meters, accuracy up to 2 millimeters. As we know, tape measurement is a bit heavy and even a little dangerous. Handling P1 is easy for you to marking the precise position. Innovation attachment Keyway can help check the key's height more conveniently, monitor children's growth and development. With the unique 10-second auto-fetch function, no need other hand help. You can easily get the accurate data, even there is no reflector. Simple, smart, small. We designed a totally new laser distance meter. Just for one reason, make Pro Tools easy to use.
Bonjour Guillaume, c'est maman.
For all the important things in our lives that we never want to lose and can't do without, there's Tile, this simple little device that helps you find anything. Attach Tile to your things, and finding them is easy. Ring your wallet to find it wherever it's hiding. Or use the Tile app to see where you left your car on a map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet, and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile, the simple, easy way to find the things that matter. Get Tile now. and join the millions of Tile users who find peace of mind every day. Tile. Find what matters.
Beam can turn any surface into a big smart screen, allowing you to do whatever you want. You can place Beam above your dining table and play some games with your buddies. Use it in the kitchen to help you cook that delicious recipe. And the great thing is that it runs any app available. Beam is always on and connected with the internet. You can set it up to start any app you want the moment you need it. It can also wake you up smoothly in the morning with the news and the weather forecast. Beam, the smart projector light that fits in any light socket. You can connect any smart device with it.